Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Huawei Mate 20 Pro, and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So in today's video I'd like to show you two different ways of blocking the number. Let's start with your contact list. Let's open the dialer, go to your contacts, find the contact you'd like to block and tap on it. Now all we have to do is tap on this four dots icon to open more options and tap on block contact. As you can see, we've got this information, which means that from now on your device will block this specific number and you will not receive any incoming calls or text messages from it. Of course, you can unblock it the same way right here, tap on remove from block list, but let me leave it like this. We will check whether it will appear on the blacklist. So to enter the blacklist and at the same time show you the second way of blocking the number, we have to open the settings. However, we have to move to the phone section. So let's tap on it to open the dialer and tap on the four dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on blocked. And here before we will enter the blacklist, we can set call block rules and message block rules. You can do it, I highly recommend. You can block all incoming calls, unknown numbers or private withheld numbers, and the same situation with messages. However, here we've got also unknown numbers. Now we have to tap on this how is it called, the settings icon in the right upper corner. And now tap on the block list. And as you can see, this is the number we blocked from our contact. As you can see, the first option worked also. So here we have to add, tap on add, so this plus icon, and we can either add manually, block prefix, add from contacts, call logs, and messages. So those options are a little bit different than the previous one because you can mark a lot of the contacts and block them with simply one click. You don't have to do it manually one by one. You can also add manually, which means that you can simply enter the number you want to block. You don't have to have it saved on your contact list. For example, you can paste it if you've got it copied and tap on OK. And the same situation, it will appear on the block list. You can also unblock the numbers here, just tap on it and hold it. And now you can either select all and remove all, or mark specific languages, the numbers. I will remove all, so let me tap on remove, and we've got the blacklist, which is empty. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.